Here it is, 4:30 in the morning, and I'm heading out to work, heading up to the lodge to check in and have breakfast, and then get up on the hill for the birds of prey. Very cold this morning. I think I'm seeing 13 degrees. So I head out here. Roads are a little bit icy.
I came in for the race.
Good morning, everybody.
Today is going to be a test of your endurance and your ability to adapt. We are on the same program yesterday as today, with one slight difference. We are operating an hour earlier. First racer will be at 10 o'clock.
Okay, we just got done with breakfast. Here's some of the Raptor crew down here. They do a lot of the groundwork. Talon crew, which I'm on. We go up on the skis up on the mountain. I head over here and get my skis, get ready to get on the lift.
There'll be an iPhone screen on them at some point, right?
Here we are on gondola.
I can't go 5 minutes without a tech.
Ready?
I'm recording.
Extra caution on the course is going to be powder on ice.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought you were behind me.
Got it. We just made it to the top of the mountain for the birds of prey. This is our warm-up tent where the Talon crew can come up here and get some snacks and drinks and refresh before we head down to where our work area is at. Oh, slippers coming by. I'm gonna bring up the tail end so I can record. Do we have everybody? No. legs are tight.
A lot of snow.
Wait, what, crossed over?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
I was just making sure, those are just all coaches, making sure that there wasn't somebody down there wanting us to push snow a
Yeah.
certain way. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, we don't have to do any raking today. Charlie said so.
We got on tape. I'll help. What's his name with the wires, cable, and the TV because I've been doing it, so I
Me
kind of
too.
know what to do. So you and I could do that when he's
Well,
here. I don't want to move it.
everything's
to that
done
guy's
though,
here.
isn't it?
No, we got to move it. It's
Oh,
not
we gotta
safe.
move it back. You and I should do that then.
Well, let's
Everybody's dropping straight off the end of the Chair 9 road and bringing all that crap down into the downhill track.
Hey, did you get some
It
money
should not
for
have
that
gone
new
away.
position there or
It
what?
needs to be up. Howard,
Move on.
gets really bad?
I think all the teams are doing their inspection of the course before the race today. We got just about every country here.
Yeah?
Is it blinking?
Huh?
Is it blinking? They're doing a race line switch this morning. Do what?
You know how to fluff the V-neck? Stand back.
Oh, okay. You get it off the bottom so it's not frozen in.
Yeah.
No, we didn't hear it. But it looks like there's junky in that we're just trying to get off to the side.
M3 on course.
Hey, S3 old course. BJ plays again. Form when she's in the finish. Wow, okay.
Only allowed a TV break, okay? Got it. Yeah, that's all I wanted to do.
Looks like I had three.
Yeah. He was giving me a hard time.
Okay. Nope, I don't mind at all. Okay, sounds good. All right, awesome. Thanks, Eddie. Bye.
Who was that, Charlie? Was that Breezy? Good, I got a picture of her. Oh.
Hey, put your hands together, everybody, because these ladies are ripping fast. They were ripping it today. Let's bring them up.
They're coming up now.
Members of the Stiefel U.S. Alpine Ski Team.
It's quite a crew, isn't it?
This is the crew. I love it.
Yeah. So we're going to introduce each one of these amazing athletes to you. And we're not going to go in any particular order here. We're going to start with Breezy. So Breezy comes from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Is an Olympian and been to the World Championships. Sorry, I'm losing my voice, but I'll make it through. And this is her first time racing the Stiefel Birds of Prey course, which was pretty exciting today. So Breezy, when you went today, tell us a little bit about what it feels like to have your race first run down the hill, what it was like.
Well, the course, when we inspected it this morning, definitely that pitch was a little bit intimidating. I don't know if any of you guys get intimidated slipping down it, but I got intimidated at the thought of having to try to race down it. But then we skied it, and the snow is so great, so it was actually much easier than we had kind of, or at least I had expected it to be, and so it was really fun, and the bottom is super flowy and awesome, so yeah. Say hi to Kooks.
All right, Tom, I'm going to hand over to you.
As sad as I am not to be racing this year in Beaver Creek, I am so excited to watch my teammates, and we are all so thankful for more than 800 volunteers and the legendary Talon crew to get these races prepped. We're so thankful for you for making these races the best in the world, and so excited to be competing back in Beaver Creek. It's going to be amazing. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the slopes.
So with that, we're going to close out our little presentation tonight, but we wanted to do this for you because, as I've said before, it would not happen without you. We're beyond grateful, so thank you. Enjoy this weekend. Cheer extra loudly, especially for the Stiefel US ski team, please. And yeah, no, thank you again, and yeah, really appreciate everything you do.